One of the, if not the biggest lie people say about motivation is, I'm just not motivated, or I'm not a very motivated person. That's a total lie, because the reality is, it's not that you're not a motivated person, it's just that you simply lack direction. When you're clear in your direction, you will act and you will be motivated. But sometimes you're sitting back going, I just don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. And what does the confused mind do? The confused mind does nothing. Let me give you an example. Getting my children up for school every morning. They're just like, oh, I don't want to go. Because they don't really know why they're going to school. They don't really have direction. I try and explain to them. I try and help them and inspire them, but they're not really clear in what they're even doing. They're just like, hey, I'm going to high school. This is what you do. Dad says I need to go, that type of thing. But then on Saturday morning, they've got to get up earlier than when they get up for high school to go snowboarding. And they jump out of bed and they're excited because they know what they're going to do. Even though they got to get in a car, even though they've got to drive, even though it's going to be cold, they are clear in their destination. They're clear in their purpose. I don't even have to hardly encourage them to move on that Saturday morning when they're going snowboarding, because they understand what they're doing. They have complete and total clarity. And because of it, they are extremely motivated. You see, when you have clarity and you understand the direction of what you're doing and where you're going, you are motivated. So don't buy into the lie that you lack motivation. What you really lack is clarity.